What is going on, everybody? This is ZZ Apotheosis, and I am bringing you all a tutorial today. How about that? And in this tutorial, I am going to show you all how to install Minecraft Forge for 1.6 and above, but in this case, I'm going to install it to 1.7.2. So, let's get started. For step number 0, I'm going to delete my .minecraft directory to show you all that this is going to be on a fresh install of Minecraft. Okay? So, step number 1 is to launch up the Minecraft launcher. And since I deleted the .minecraft folder, I'm going to have to enter my username and password. Okay, so there we go. And since I'm going to install it to 1.7.2, that's what I'm going to need. So change my release to 1.7.2 and launch it. And it's going to take a few minutes to download all of this, so I will cut this bit out, and feel free to pause the video and resume the video when you have downloaded all the files. Alright, so looks like we're almost done. Oh, and by the way, yes, I do make videos at 4:16 in the morning. So that's just how I roll. And since this is a vanilla install of Minecraft, it is going to successfully launch. So here we are, Minecraft 1.7.2. We'll close that. So first, the second step in this process is to go into your newly generated Minecraft folder, .minecraft folder rather, and go into your versions folder, copy the 1.7.2 folder, like so, and then rename it to whatever you want. For simplicity purposes, I'm going to keep it simple and call it Forge 1.7.2. There. Now, you're going to go into the folder, delete this folder because it's unneeded right now, and one other thing that you're going to want to delete is the JSON file in here. So, all that you should be left with is the jar. And like with other tutorials, you're going to want to name this jar file to whatever the folder name is. In this case, Forge 1.7.2. Okay, now the next step requires that you download the Minecraft Forge file from their website. Okay, so here it is. I will leave the link in the description for this website. I'm going to download the 10.12.0.982 version, the most recent version uploaded yesterday apparently. So, and make sure you get the universal one if you want to do this manually. Save that to the desktop. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do with this jar file is open the archive in whatever program you want to use. In my case, I'm using 7-zip, and in that archive, look for a file called version.json, and that is the file you want to drag and drop into the folder over here. And it's also the file that you want to rename to forge.1.7.2 or whatever you named your folder. In my case, it's Forge 1.7.2. And like with other tutorials, you're going to have to edit the ID field like so to whatever you named your folder. Forge 1.7.2. Control S to save. Exit. Cool, so now that we've done that, let's try out the launcher aspect. We're going to edit the default profile and change the version to the version we just created, Forge 1.7.2. Save, launch. And I do expect to crash, or fail, with the launch, with 3 failures. So, one of these failures is a failure regarding the Forge library, and then the other 2 are errors regarding Scala libraries, but I will get into that later. For now, we are going to focus on installing the Forge library. So, go back into your .minecraft folder, and actually, that file that you downloaded from the Minecraft Forge website is actually the file you need, so just drag and drop into this directory that you just saw me go into. But you're going to have to rename this file into what the launcher is expecting. So we're going to look for that file right now. Then here it is. It looks like we're missing this file, so we're going to highlight that, Control C to copy, come over here, and rename it to that. So we should have one less error. So we're going to do a test launch, and it turns out we have one less failure, which means we're on the right track. The next step requires you to download libraries from this website. Scala, Lang. I think Scala is a programming language, but that is beside the point. If you look into your development console, you're going to see that the launcher is looking for this file right here, Scala compiler.jar, as well as another one. Let's see if I can find it. Scala library.jar. So those are the two files that you want to find on this website. We'll start with the library. Go into here, make sure the version is correct with your Minecraft. 2.10.2 is what we're looking for in this case. 2.10.2, and then download the jar. Don't get any of the extra stuff because it is not needed. And while that's downloading, we'll get the compiler as well. Just the straight up jar, you don't need to get any of the extra stuff. Wait for that to download. And while we're waiting, we'll get to the directory that we need to go to. So it's going to be in Minecraft libraries, org, scala-lang, and then these two folders are the folders that you want to put these two files in. There we go, it has downloaded. We'll install the library first. So go all the way down inside this directory, drag and drop the library. You don't have to rename it like you do with the Forge library, and do the same thing with the compiler. Okay, so we're done with that. Go back into the launcher and hit play. As you can see, the launcher has exited, and we should expect this window right here, Minecraft 1.7.2. Running Forge 10.12.0.982. And apparently it's a beta, according to this message at the top. So that is proof that Forge is working. And also, the following step is optional, so you don't really have to do this, but I highly recommend that you all check out Optifine. In my opinion, it is the #1 must-have mod for any Minecraft player. Okay. So we'll just go through AdFly to get to the download. Save it to the desktop. You can save it anywhere, by the way. It doesn't have to be on the desktop. And go back into our .minecraft folder, and this mods folder has been generated by Forge, so that is a sign that it is working. And for any mods that you get, all you're going to want to do is just drag and drop into this folder, unless the mod requires special installation instructions. But for Optifine, it's quite simple, just drag and drop. So now that we have that in there, we'll do another test boot, or test run, rather. See if it works. We have the window here, and it looks like it is working. Optifine underscore 1.7.2 underscore high definition underscore ultra underscore A6. So that pretty much concludes this tutorial, guys. So thank you all for watching. This is ZZ Apotheosis signing off. Hey guys, don't forget, be sure to drop a like if this helped you at all in any way, shape, or form. I would absolutely love to see my channel grow, and I can't really do that if I don't get myself out there, so be sure to drop a like and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.